What's the meaning of audibility? Audibility. Audibility.
Audibility. Audibility. Audibility refers to the property of being capable of being heard or the degree to which a sound can be perceived by the human ear. It measures the sound pressure level necessary for a listener to detect a sound. The audibility threshold varies with the frequency of the sound and the individual's auditory system. Being able to accurately determine audibility is important for fields such as hearing conservation, audiology, and telecommunications. In summary, audibility is the ability to detect a sound, and it depends on the loudness and frequency of the sound as well as the individual's hearing sensitivity.